Hey guys, this is Deandra, aka Debbie.
This is the Dada from the Bartender.
I mean him pink boss and I'm a bad man.
Hi, I'm Tesfa Edwards.
Hey, it's your girl keeping up with Jenny.
It's your boy Shoppy.
This is the girl Browning.
You don't know, so this is your girl Shanice, aka 5.
It is your girl Bubbles.
Well, you don't know, say the original DB.
Hi, this is Goody Plum.
I must say thank you.
So thank you guys.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you guys for
30k subscribers.
For 30k subscribers.
Without you, this could not be possible.
Because of you and you. And I'm gonna feel like say you will get left out to call you help.
We appreciate you guys so much.
Big up on yourself.
Continue to watch the Bartenders.
Big up on yourself. Because on the don't even know who them.
keep it coming because we want to reach the 100.
Wait there. Oh, that must smell. Oh, it smell like somebody in your house to subscribe. Hey, tell them to subscribe to the Bartender, you know, and tell them to every Sunday, 6 p.m. Tune in. Check it, cause we're bombing.
Previously on The Bartender.
You never say I come in my pack all the things, them.
Don't tell us I'm not broadcast myself. You understand that, man?
Me for do everything, Winston. Mary in the shop, and me I do the hot dog.
When people become a problem to me, two options they have. Either I get rid of them, or I control them. Big mistake. Big mistake.
Brother, how come the man them come for you? We have to deal with this now.
Dada, the man smart and wicked on that. The man strategic and even wicked on that, brother. The man links them tall.
I need a store. My clothes is right beside where you're doing your whole saw thingy.
You need to stay home.
You know why I start the shop? Can we do a Lego certain lifestyle?
Man, I think I can't promise you so I'm going to deal with this, you know.
You do what you have to do, you know. Me have to do what me have to do.
Hello. Do you know where the studio is?
Sandra!
Yes, of course I'm aware it's the last payment. No, I haven't taken it out yet. Because I have to get out of this house. I know I said I wanted this, but I never knew it was going to be like this. I told him I wanted a store to showcase my fashion designs, and he told me no. Can you imagine? He told me no. So that's why I used it. Look, I really need more pins, okay? You know I can't travel because of the COVID situation and my medical condition. Let's see what happens in the new year. I always get what I want.
Yeah, Dre. You there at the shop? Alright, I come for a line up. One person in a chair. So how much after that? 2? Alright, now put nobody else after, you know. Alright, me forward. Alright. Yes, sir. Sir, I think it is on silent. Sir, I don't think she's all that involved, you know. Sir, I'm not defending her, you know, but... Yes, sir.
Fine. Shoppy asked if you can change its theme.
You live here?
What kind of question then?
Next time, knock, wait for me for answer and tell you for enter if me want you for enter.
But Shoppy asked me if you come out.
But nothing. Shoppy live alone? Suppose me did in your naked. Give me this.
Sorry, here. No, I mean, sorry, here. Oh, no.
Winston, you see if you're gonna send Style come to me for change, tell him to knock and not just come walking in the room. Say, here, please and thanks.
Styles just walk in the room.
That's why we have the conversation here.
Are you the too simple-minded, you know? The whole reason with him still, you see? Sorry about that, yeah.
So, you assistant shopkeeper, what gonna happen next? I start running the shop.
You just hang around with me and the crocodile, you see?
Him not have nothing for do. Him start the year.
I don't know. Just out there chill with the crocodile them and him come out, they come link with it. See me I deal it. You need some change. So I'm just send him for some change. You overs?
I ask you something, Winston. You have to have them boy up on the front?
But I think I like how that sound, you know.
You know what I mean. Enough of them are out there with you, them shady. And police can drive by.
5. Your complaint said, I not deal the shop. And I not go out on the front no more. I mean, I do that little bit right now and you still a complain. Hear me I say? I can't go out there and just sit down so. I have to feel like I'm safe, I have to feel secure out there. You know? I can't just do the thing from a certain level again. You understand me I say? You reach too far so I have to work with strategy. Understand no man?
And then make you feel safe?
So 5. What you want me to do? What you really want me to do?
Do what you want to do. You your own big man here. But, you see the Winston when me meet, and that me want. The food.
How am I reach inside?
You walked in. Silly. You said you were tired and you wanted to lie down. You don't remember? Get up.
Because me remember that.
So, what about the store?
Store?
The store that I said I wanted to showcase my designs? I just said that to you.
Oh, yeah, the store. You identify a place yet?
No, not yet. I was thinking I should probably look in the classifieds and then, we could look at the places after we call. Great! Hey, Carl. It's Wednesday.
I'm never did want to come on her. Can't believe you come back with the same thing. What this? What this now? Look what Ganja did in the house. I ever try to tell me see no know nothing about that?
Chanel.
Don't call me name. Me the younger one, and you behave like you pick me. You are with us? Slim as you have a license?
No, brownie. Me not run a weed house and me not a license. But know this. You see some things, it bigger than you, yeah?
You bigger than me. This is the next time you get yourself in a problem, don't think come call me because you're gonna rot in a prison by yourself. What you would have do if Carlton never get in and out of that situation, yeah? And look how you encouraged me for leaving.
Time longer than rope here. You soon find out what's going on. Don't worry yourself.
Worry? Me look like me have something to worry about? And you for thank God say out of jail. As a matter of fact, thank Carlton.
You never said that up on the road.
This is how it may go from now. You work for me. Or you spend a couple years in a prison. Who knows what happened to your sister then?
Been a day here. And pack up that for me.
Oh, shut up. Forget your taste, Sandra. She gone, you can't send the thing.
every passenger near me. Tonight, I want you to hear me. Alright. Again now, I lift it up again now, again now, I operate. Yo, not even know. Them don't know about Pinchas.
Cool, man.
What them know about my daddy?
Yeah, them don't know bad song, Where you know which song of my song?
Tell me.
Hey, gringos and pachero, I want to make way for the bandolero. Cause if you don't know that, my friend, then your number is 0. The lyrics are chopped like the sound of Zara.
Bang, bang, bang.
Yo, me I tell you, so much about artists. Where you going?
Yeah, you know, sir. I'm there in Jamaica on the ground, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just flying from Miami.
Yeah.
May I try drop a new EP. You see me? So, me up on the ground and I realize when I drive around in my car and I play the song, then one specific song, the one produced by Cornelius. One thing when you give me more, it a take on. So I have an idea now, I think about to do a little online challenge. What do you think?
Like a rap, man.
With two girls, mix up with some African dancers.
Yeah, man, at the right.
You get me, man. So, that kind of vibe that I try to put together. What kind of idea you think I should have? Come up on the ground, a year ground.
Alright, so the idea the way you have can work, Cause you know, so since the pandemic, everybody a go virtually, you see me? So them have a thing named Zoom and them thing, they have TikTok, I do them thing, and Instagram, so the dance challenge can work, definitely my boss.
Alright, you have a little hot girl and some little
oh, I'm tear man of the original DB, you're the my boss.
From
me know everybody.
Alright.
Everybody.
So, alright, here we are going to do.
Yeah.
I'll put it together and we are going to make this go viral. You understand what I say?
Jamaica.
Forward. So why you have to go around this? So?
I'm feel more comfortable around you, so.
Slim as?
Yeah, Bugsy.
But you don't look slim.
What you on about?
You're a comedian.
Brother, it's a transaction I come for deal with. I could deal with that now.
You have the money?
No. Cause my life will just come out here, come stand up in the sun. Where the weed there?
Hit the round there, so. Just reach over there, so, and get it.
You know, you have to go around this stuff for that, though.
I know some like your style.
this not feel like 200 grand?
That's because of 150G in there, where you're on the boss grip on. Nothing more, nothing less. We done yourself?
Yeah, man. Good.
Yeah. I almost forgot to know. How much need to carry? 300G? Yeah, alright.
International, my boss. I'm a future baby mother dance.
Just
go on it.
I the vibe, man. I the vibe.
Cool, man.
Yeah.
I send it a road, my boss.
Yeah, me I tell you, man. Right
For
now we
real.
need to put the challenge together.
Yeah.
And get everybody involved.
Alright, just
and
wait.
It go global.
On a call. DB, never start.
Alright, my brother. Chop.
Make it fat so like you get four of that. Say me alone, she want to score the shot. Cause I love my love, they want a door of that. Would I want from me to put more for that?
Family. Me not care what she want do. Him shouldn't put him on pan her brother.
But him say she put her pan him to brother.
Brother, all I can say, you know, brother, that wrong for choose still, you know. But if a girl spit pan me, brother, me a cook for her. If a girl spit pan you, what you gonna do, brother?
You have one fear side of the story me here first enough.
Him forward the film side of the story to you know that. And the young boy for draw a reasonable conclusion of wear the two sides of the story, you know, you see me?
True. All I know, the video with her, she and the man in the bathroom, that no look good for she. Nor major.
Hold on now. She not say I'm 10 years ago, brother.
Dada, iPhone 8 never there out 10 years ago.
Them gyal are wicked, them wicked. But we have never done this, so. You know, see this man not 5 more video job.
What you say to me?
You can't stand there. That man goes there. You can't stand there. It's a major porn star.
Yo!
Trouble.
But big man things still, you know. The only thing I blame her for still, you know. She don't keep that off for social media. You get what me I say?
Me agree, brother. But with a savage world we are living there, you see me?
Fun and joke aside still. I believe with all of this entanglement you are going yeah, you just attract whatever you have around you and that you attract around you, brother, but differently. I feel away.
Yo, watch your style. Yo, brokers, we need to finalize how our movements are going for next weekend.
How much are we a mash up the axe?
3 hour man.
How much machine there?
3 every man's job.
You not too like a number there, you know.
Which number?
3.
Brother, you're too superstitious, brother.
No, man, we not
All
too
out.
like a number there, brother. Wow. You know, can bring one I look a soldier them with you, brother.
You know somebody?
Yeah, man. I look a warrior just one day, man. Numbers are always better, brother. How my son?
But after you have somebody around where we can trust, you're sure about that youth your pink pass.
Yo, I prefer roll it quick foot in a bad man.
You hear what you say still, you know. But hear this. You them over the other side running with you.
True.
Quick foot off it up on the ground because I'm a loyal soldier. I'm serious them with it. So I'm off it there. You get to me as my family. Yeah, man.
brother, the young lad is just an extra body fam. Una over makes the thing, brother. It can be anyone I soldier them.
Can't say that big boss. Big ups this life and death situation, brother. We have no room for error, brother.
Over so you're saying nothing, boss. But you say if you know so that soldier you're solid, that means so we're good.
Yeah man, young lad, good brother. Young lad, good.
So fam, outside with the apps, yeah?
Yeah man, it sounds good man.
Remember say, if them boy get the opportunity to take the thing and not give you no money, them will take it. We have to prepare for them thing there, you know, brother.
Shoppy. If them try that, them jelly boss.
You can't turn there. Passion one.
Dada, last got this in, brother. So you see another one, yeah? I prefer we go in and come out without casualties, brother.
Over so you're saying a shopping. But you see you, as an original street warrior, you have to always be ready.
Born ready.
So, as my phone go bling, ready.
But dirt, man.
You know the code.
Code is life.
Which is right.
Come forward, come look on the machine.
De-escalate the situation. See, that's a new spiritual going. Me, I actually prefer shooting. The man has a gun to my head. I better put it down if I put a hot point in that, I won't.
I've never experienced that style of getting someone's number before.
You mean asking for a call and then using your number to call my phone?
How many female you have tried that on?
You mean including you? Let's see. 1.
Right. Am I supposed to believe that?
Well, you don't have to believe it, you know, but it's true.
Okay then.
Well, like I said, you know, you don't have to believe, you know.
Okay. What you expect from this?
Nothing. Just a dinner date. It's just a dinner date.
Trilla, listen.
Denise, Kyle, Call me Kyle, alright?
Kyle. You're a very attractive man, handsome, and you seem like a very nice person. But I'm a man, and really and truly, I don't want to leave you on.
Okay. Are you happy in your relationship?
Why you ask that?
You don't look happy. And you just answer a question with a question. You realize that, right?
Yes, I'm happy.
No, you're not.
Why do you think so?
Alright, well, for one, you're actually here on a date with me, here in this lovely restaurant, that is one. And two, you answered my question with a question. You didn't really answer me directly. And when you smile, your eyes still look sad. And if you're happy, you wouldn't be here with me. Simple.
I never know that it was that obvious.
Alright, Denise, let me tell you, because it doesn't make any sense to pretend. I really do like you, but you see, I'm really not the kind of guy who wants to break up a happy home, you know? I think you deserve to be happy with whoever you're with, you know, whether it's with him or me or whoever, you deserve to be happy because I think you're an awesome person, you know? And that's the truth. Listen to me. You see, your happiness and your well-being, it should be top priority over everything else. You understand? Don't use the fact that you love to hide any pain that you feel. It ain't worth it.
Right.
Unlike you, my dad didn't leave me no trust fund, okay? I got real world shit to deal with, my ass for the thrills. Same old shit, different day. Alright, yeah, damn, I shot you, alright? But you wouldn't be seeing nothing at all if I hadn't made my move. Why you acting so angry, bro? Oh, you're just calm. I'm not angry. So you're very angry. No, I'm not angry.
It's okay.
I'm not angry. I was jumping.
Watch out.
I really for me, Chuck. T-boy. T-boy.
Slim as.
Bugsy.
But you don't look slim.
But you're not bug.
Yeah, comedian.
Sir, I'm come for deal with the trucks. Sorry.
Action.
Alright, Denise, let me just tell you exactly how I feel. I like you, and I really don't want to see you sad, you know? I really think you're